Hi there, Jeff Geisinger here. Welcome to this newest installment of Jeff Attempts. As you can see, we got a little bit of snow going on here, so I'm scrambling to get this done, but I want to get our hoses blown out for the winter. I know a lot of people probably don't do that. I didn't used to blow my hoses out until I had one of them burst and had to replace it. It was a bummer. So what I got is one of my favorite tools is the air compressor. And with the air compressor, this is a water blowout attachment for an air compressor. You got the 1/4 end on one side and then the 3/4 water end on the other side. Now, I'm not going to hook this directly to the air compressor right now because it is a direct hole right here. If I hook this on to the air compressor hose, it would just start spewing air all over the place, probably hit me in the face with this. A lot of comedy would ensue, and I don't want to do that for this one. I've taken this hose off the spigot. Oh, we should probably turn off the spigot in the basement. Here, let's go do that. So here we are in the basement. We've got our easy to find, nice and labeled pipes. Yours, unfortunately, might not be like that. You might have to go up in the ceiling. You might have to move a ceiling tile if you got a drop ceiling, or it might be behind a panel. You'll have to look around a little bit to find your outdoor shutoff. But ours, again, is right here, nice and easy, and we simply have that handle going perpendicular to the pipe to turn it off. Okay, got that taken care of. So now we've got the hose bib turned off. We've got the hose here attached with the air compressor nozzle. And what this is going to do, ideally, is that this container down here has the hose all wound up in it. And there's a lot of water left over in there that could freeze during the winter. So we're going to use the air compressor, but we don't want to do too high of a tank pressure on that. So we're going to bring that pressure down on the regulator part, probably around to, I don't know, 35 PSI. Okay, so we've got the tank hose, we've got the garden hose, and this should work. There we go. And we're pushing that water right out. Oh, there we go. We'll get this a little lower too, just so we don't leave any. There we go. We've got our hose cleared of water, so it's ready for the winter, not going to freeze. Thanks so much for checking in with us on this episode of Jeff Attempts. You can find us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and of course our website, all of them under the same handle of LivinMN. Have a great day. Let me know if there's anything that you want to hear about when it comes to your home or house or whatever.